Hello happy people, this is your host CryptoPafi and welcome to our today's show. Are you a trader who loves leverage cryptocurrency instruments? Will you be willing to try out a new different exchange and trading platform? If your answer to these two questions is yes, then you definitely want to learn more about a trading platform that will help you with this and much more. Prime XBT, it's a cryptocurrency exchange that is giving clients the ability to trade a number of assets including crypto, forex and commodities among others. In this video, we are going to do a high-level review of the Prime XBT, explaining how it works and what makes it different from all others. Be sure to watch the video to the very end, especially if you want to know if this platform is the alternative to the likes of BitMEX or any other platform that you have been using to trade crypto until now. This video is the first episode in a series of videos on Prime XBT, so please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the other videos on details of Prime XBT, such as the platform, how to register and start trading, the benefits you get from Prime XBT, copy trading and so on. Also, before we jump into it, please note that the content in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and is not to be used as financial advice. Your capital might be at risk. With that being said, let's go! What is Prime XBT? It is a cryptocurrency exchange that is registered in the Seychelles. They run under the name Prime XBT Trading Services, and the exchange opened their books to the market in early 2019. The project has over $375 million in daily volume and have over 30 employees. It currently serves clients in more than 150 countries, providing them with access to top-tier liquidity and a wide range of trading tools. The company does this while maintaining security, liquidity, enabling a safe and efficient trading environment for everyone. The vision of Prime XBT is to create a dynamic and most innovative platform that equips users with all necessary tools for their trading activities. They are committed to improve the quality of services to cater for all users all over the world and are always client-oriented. And so, with client as the main focus, they aim to be among the best online trading platforms in the cryptocurrency industry and to retain their reputation as most reliable and trusted partner. One of the main strong points of Prime XBT is that they have leverage trading for a number of different assets. This includes 6 cryptocurrency pairs with a maximum leverage of 100x, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and more. Apart from crypto, they also have forex currencies, commodity assets with leverage up to 1000x and even stock indices. That's quite impressive, isn't so? Hey, are you enjoying the video so far and are you getting value from it? If so, then please hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't done so already and press the bell icon so that you will be notified about our newest videos. And just in case you are new here, our channel is your home for all amazing facts and latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Now let's go back to the platform. Prime XBT has an award-winning platform which has won several Forex awards, international financial awards, and the best crypto trading app. Also, we are going to do a video specifically explaining the Prime XBT trading platform in details. It is worth noting that it has innovative tools with advanced features. These help you execute orders and analyze market data. Apart from that, it has a customizable platform layout, professional charts, multiple order types, and secure wallets. All this exposes you to the global markets of all the products we mentioned earlier and takes your trading to another level. Be sure to watch our next video where we will dive into the platform in greater detail, guiding you on how to open an account, navigate the platform and start your trading journey on Prime XBT. You will also love the ultra-fast trading execution, real-time risk management and top-tier liquidity, so stay tuned. What is the Turbo platform? Prime XBT also has a Turbo platform, which involves significant level of risk and is not suitable and or appropriate for all clients. It is only for those investors who can afford to invest funds that they are possible to lose. The Turbo platform is a user-friendly platform that allows you to earn up to 90% by simply predicting short-term price move of various assets such as Bitcoin, gold, S&P 500, oil, or euro or US dollar. It is available 24/7. You can start on it from just $1. You get free 1 BTC demo account once you open this account, and it's simple and convenient to use. It provides you, as the user, with a unique trading experience and is accessible through mobile phone device. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Then let's discuss about the covesting module. Apart from Turbo, Prime XBT also offers another smarter way to trade called covesting. Here, you choose among best performing traders and automatically copy their trading activity. You also earn secondary income by allowing others to follow your trade in case you are an experienced trader. This works for you, especially if you don't feel too confident trading on your own or you just don't have the time. You can either co-invest by following other traders' trading strategy or co-invest for other traders, where you allow traders to bring their results in front of the public and compete with them in a transparent environment. This style, which is unique to Prime, is good because it's easy to use, powerful, and reliable. One of the most important considerations for any trader is security, especially because of the ever-increased news of cryptocurrency exchange hacks. There is an entire section on the information page that details the security protocols that are employed by Prime XBT. In terms of exchange security, most of the coins that are held at Prime XBT are kept in cold storage. This means that they are kept in a secure offline environment away from internet connections and the threat of potential hackers. In order to service their current payments and withdrawals, they will also need to run a hot wallet, but only a limited number of coins are kept in this state. Also, in order to make any movements from the cold wallet to the hot wallet, they make use of multi-signature access. This means that for any transactions to take place in the Prime XBT wallet, they will need the authorization from a number of different people who hold those keys. This reduces the risk of a single point of failure. Another aspect of security is communication security. Like most exchanges and financial sites these days, Prime XBT has full SSL encryption. This means that all communication that you send to the exchange will be encrypted and make it hard for any malicious actors to intercept it. Lastly is user security. Even if a hacker is able to get hold of your password, Prime XBT offers two-factor authentication. This means that you'll have to authorize the login on your phone via the Google Authenticator app. It is not mandatory for you to enable 2FA on your phone, although it's highly encouraged. You can do this quite easily through your account management options in your security settings. Prime XBT will present you with a QR code and a backup key, and then your account will be fully secured. Leverage is a key feature of Prime XBT trading platform and can be a powerful tool for a trader. You can use it to take advantage of comparatively small price movements, gear your portfolio for greater position size, and to make your capital grow faster. Leverage works by using a deposit known as margin to provide you with increased exposure. It enables you to put down a fraction of the full value of your trade, and Prime XBT provides you with the rest. This means that as a trader, you'll gain exposure to major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and more others without tying up lots of your capital. Last but not least, Prime XBT allows you to become an affiliate partner of the project. You do this by introducing new clients, where you also get up to $1,250. That's right. You earn an income just by having a new client join the platform under you. There are 3 offers in this Refer and Earn program, and you earn more income by referring more clients. Prime XBT also goes a mile further and explains why it is easy to get new clients to jump on board with them. And that is because they have a top quality product, they have a high conversion rate, and also they have a very solid brand. With these 3 compelling points, it shouldn't be too hard convincing your buddies to start trading crypto on Prime XBT instead of other exchanges. That's all we had for today, folks, and we hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like the video if you got value from it, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so you never miss any of our videos in the future. Also, stay tuned for our next video, where we go into more details about Prime XBT, especially showing you how to open an account and how to use the platform. Until next time, cheers guys!